Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable TLS certificates with HAProxy on VPS detailed guide step by step clearly. To get started with enabling TLS certificates using HAProxy on your VPS, you first need to connect to your server via SSH. Use a terminal and run the command SSH username at your _VPS_IP. Once logged in, ensure that your package manager is up to date. You can do this by running sudo apt update. Next, install HAProxy if it's not already installed. Use the command sudo apt install HAProxy. After installation, open the HAProxy configuration file for editing. Run the command sudo nano /etc/haproxy/haproxy.cfg. In the configuration file, you will need to define your front-end and back-end settings. Start by adding a front-end section for HTTPS. Use the example below to get started. Frontend https:/front bind * 443 /etc/ssl/private/your under. Ensure you replace /etc/ssl/private/your _certificate.pem with the actual path to your TLS certificate. Next, you will need to create the backend section. Add this to your configuration. Backend_servers server1 your _backend_IP port check. Make sure to replace your _backend_IP and port with your actual backend server details. Once you have configured the front end and back end, save the changes in the HAProxy configuration file. If you are using Nano, press Ctrl+X, then Y, and hit Enter to save. Next, you will need to test the HAProxy configuration for any errors. Run the command sudo haproxy cf/etc/haproxy/haproxy.cfg. If there are no errors, restart the HAProxy service to apply the changes. Use the command sudo systemcll restart haproxy. To check the status of HAProxy, run sudo systemcll status haproxy. This will confirm if HAProxy is running smoothly with the new configuration. If everything is working, you can now test your TLS configuration using an online SSL checker. Simply input your domain and review the provided details to ensure everything is configured correctly. Your HAProxy is now set up with TLS certificates on your VPS. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.